hatch. Please watch your head as you enter the train. Please sit back completely against the seat and pull your safety restraint all the way down until it rests securely against you and fasten your safety belt. While riding, do not extend your legs in front of you and keep your feet in the down position. Please verify that your safety restraint and belt are securely fastened and rest your head back against the headrest.
Don't forget about that.
Please signal ride attendants now.
Because I don't think this locks.
Once again,
No.
for your own safety, do not extend your legs in front of you and keep your feet in the down position. Hold on tight and enjoy your ride.
Yeah. I like smashed my wallet.
Are your shoes gonna stay on?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not coming up. Oh yeah, good thing. Probably a good thing.
Just press your feet together if they slip.
I can feel the back of the chest strap.
I was trying to get
Oh man, front row's sick. Woo! Oh man! Oh! Jaw hit, jaw hit, jaw hit.
I need to start looking this up when I get on there.
Please release your safety belt and remain seated until your safety restraint is released. Please exit to your right and watch your head. Thank you for riding the back and have a great day here at Lagoon.